Happy National Cheese Day, guys! We are ready. We have our flag ready, Remy's ready, and I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to Easy Cheesy, guys, the place where you and I will be making the most scrumptious recipes online. So before we begin, Remy, if I may, let me get myself ready. I see you already have your chef hat, so I need to get my clothes on. I am more than ready to begin. Alright, so actually we have a very special guest that will be with us throughout the show. We have Remy here with us. Welcome, Remy. So he's going to be my very special assistant, creating Disney-inspired recipes with a very interesting twist. So if you like what we make, please comment, like, or subscribe. You can also follow us on social media. So today we're going to be making Ratatouille, well, in honor of our special guest, of course, and this will be the first recipe of our show, but we will be adding a secret ingredient. We'll be revealing Remy's secret ingredient, if you know what I'm talking about. So this is actually the recipe that knocked Anton Ego's socks off. So do you know what the ingredient is? Any hints? Well, it's actually cheese. And that's why we're called Easy Cheesy. Easy recipes with a very cheesy twist. Alright, so let's get going. So before you do anything, you have to wear an apron and the hat, of course. That's optional, but for me, this is so necessary. So Remy, what do you say? Do we start with this ratatouille maybe? Yeah? Alright, so we have over here a recipe book. And we're going to look for a recipe of ratatouille. Alright, so book, please show us the recipe. Alright, so we're done cutting for now. So now we're going to start doing some actual cooking. You're going to need a wooden spoon and a pan. So I left Remy at the stove, and I don't think he needs my help. In that case, I'm gonna go and slice up all these vegetables into circles. So I'm done slicing everything, and I'm back here with Remy, who's done with the stove. So now it's time to assemble the ratatouille.
Note originale, ajoutons-le à la recette. Versons dans le récipient. Bien, bien. Continuons à agrémenter notre recette.
It's ready for the oven already. Let's go. smells like glory, you guys. Look at this beauty. Give us a thumbs up if you want to grab a bite of this right now. Thank you, Remy, for sharing your world-class famous recipe of Ratatouille. And thank you guys for sticking today with us. Please let us know in the comments if you have any recipes that you want us to make, with cheese of course. And remember, all you have to ask for is cheese please. See you later guys. Bye!